Good day and welcome to the Mercedes W123 channel. On today's video I will show you how we're going to be removing the rear door handle. The reason to remove the door handle on the car, for instance for me, is because when I pull it, it stays on the open position, which obviously is not good. It should come back nicely. So maybe it needs to be oil, grease, etc. But also, if for instance you wanted to paint your door, obviously you will have to dismantle everything, including the door handle. To remove it, all we will need is a star screwdriver. Now to remove it, look on the inside. We've got a screw here. Okay, so we're gonna remove this. We're gonna pull slightly the rubber on the side, okay, so I can get access. I need to go gently because obviously it's quite rotten. Okay, so I've got access. Here we go, and now I can remove it without problem. Now that the screw is removed, we're gonna pull the handle towards the front of the car, okay, and now we pull it out and it should come off. That's it. Here we go. Now that I've got the handle, I can tell you that the door has been repainted. How do I know it? Well, if you look, usually, because they don't dismantle things, but if you look at the rubber, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. I'll try to catch it. Look around the rubber. You will see a white line here. So basically, the person that has repainted the door didn't bother to remove this. What I will use now to bring back that handle to life, well, I will use a recipient, something that's big enough for the handle to go inside. Okay. If you got an old toothbrush, perfect. Like that, will be able to go in every corner. If you got some penetrating oil, you don't need to have that brand, but that's the one I've got. Okay, and I will use some gasoline. If you got gas oil, better, because both clean very well. It's just that the gasoline dry after, and the gas oil lubricate, but it doesn't matter because I've got that lubricant. So now I'm gonna place the gasoline here, the handle, and we're gonna start cleaning. Okay, we can see quite a lot of dirt here, so this has removed quite a bit. Okay, as well, I've cleaned the joint. I removed all the paint that was around. Okay, so what I'll do now, I will lubricate everything, and at some point I will place some grease. That's it. I'm happy. It's now all lubricated, clean, perfect. I placed back obviously the rubber, and now to place it back, we're gonna place this first inside. That's what opened the door, and then the screw that fits here. That's what holds the handle. So we place this first, like so. Okay. Once it's in, we push it in front. It slides in. Push it back. That's it. Now we can see the handle. You see, it goes back as it should. Okay, so now I'm gonna place back the screw, and I'm all done. That's it, folks. I hope that you have liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and then we'll see each other in the next video. Take care of yourself. Ciao.